So how am I going to cut down this dead tree that's beside my house? It's just a few feet away. It's quite tall, but it is completely dead. There are other trees in the way blocking it, and it needs to come down. I don't have the equipment to climb it. I don't have a rope to put up in it, so I'm just thinking about felling it all in one shot. It is a little bit tangled up in the tree below it, so it'll have to be cut down as well. So basically, I'm just not sure. I need to work around the weather. I need to work around the wind, and hopefully I can fit this tree in this narrow space below it and I can fell it without hitting the house. If it hits the house, then I'm going to have damage to the roof, or even that shed beside the house could be damaged as well. So I need to take my time and I need to plan it out and I need to not rush into this job. So this is something I plan on doing over the next few days. So watch my videos and keep an eye for this video and we'll just see how this job goes.